This one is myoelectrical prosthetic hands, which have been designed using internal sensors that detect muscle movement and trigger reciprocal and it response in the robotic system. This can allow a patient to adaptivity control so that the hand are naturally as possible as like the original hand. It improves the disabled lifestyle by making day to day tasks easier with this. So it has all the possibilities. Also, this experiment is really helpful for anyone who are suffering with disability since long time. So it has all the movements like normal hand, the finger, the twist, it can move the fingers, all the fingers, and twist. It can hold anything. So with the help of this, the patient or the disabled one will be able to do any work easily. So they did not worry about it, and it is very flexible. This is how it looks when the person wears it. If the disabled person is having only half of the hand and it is cut, so this one is an mechanical hand, as I said, with robotic control.